Good morning and welcome in. Before we get into this morning's update, I want to go over a quick overview of what we're going to be discussing this morning. It's going to be a little shorter update today, probably about 10-15 minutes. My son's got school. I got to get ready by 8:30, and then, he's got to be there by 8:30, and then he's got a doctor's appointment at 1, so it's going to be a little bit jam-packed in the beginning of the day, but in the later part of the day, it's going to be pretty easy. We'll be live tonight as normal. 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But for right now, we've got XRP, which once again got rejected at the 2018 resistance. We've been desperately trying to push over that level. It's not that this has broken down entirely, but we're down 1.27% today. And XRP just couldn't get over that 54.07 cent level. It's been a very, very painful spot to try to push past. And we've been rejected so many times it hurts. So when we look at this in reality, we can't get anywhere until we break over this area. Well, once again, yesterday we failed. We got rejected and we immediately came down. Now we need to break over, and in real time, we're looking at right around the 53.92 cent mark. If we move this into terms of, let's modify this. The technical move here, if we were to get over the 2018 resistance now, in this little formation, it's at 58.4 cents. So we haven't broken down yet, but it could be a double top there. This could have been a double top. And if this breaks down, you could find yourselves back, even if it is bullish still, we could find ourselves back at 51.5 cents. And it's very possible because that looks like it created a small little bear flag here. We have a death cross in the 30 minutes. So basically everything we started building yesterday, we needed to get past the 2018 resistance to start to validate it. Unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, that does not seem to be the case here this morning. On this Wednesday morning, it looks to have been rejected here where X marks the spot. And we just came right back down. Now a rejection either at 53.4 cents or 53.5 cents, I should say, or right here at 53.7, that could bring us all the way down to 51.5, so we have to pay attention to that. There's a lot of fear when it comes about the potential appeal by the SEC, and that's limiting the price right now for XRP. That, coupled along with what we've seen in the debate yesterday, long term it's good for crypto, but in the short term it looked like the dumping of the markets. Commodities are in a different story here. Not looking terrible this morning, but we'll see how the day plays out. And then we'll have to get through this reading as we're pressed for time this morning. With Ripple confirms Fednow's network effects will transform payments and boost XRP. So a little bit of positivity here this morning as well. So we'll make sure to read this, and we'll go through the charts appropriately with XRP. So make sure to hit that like button so YouTube does recommend this update. Just by hitting that like button, you guarantee that YouTube recommends my update and lives. And the most important part about that is if you hit that like button, if you're just scrolling through YouTube on the news feed, whether or not you've ever seen my content or not, new, old, or likewise, you'll be able to see my content because it's recommended by YouTube because you've hit that like button. So make sure to hit that like button, and we'll go over this quick intro real quick. Good morning, 7:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So let's look at these charts real quick. Then we'll get into that reading, and then I'll let this go. I'll release this very quickly this morning. So, just like with the other chart, if we continue breaking down, this is at 52 cents. Now, in order to break out, we'd have to come over the 5447. And if you start measuring it, now we don't even need the other target because this actually comes up to the pattern formation. That was the pattern support, and if we were to come up, we would get a rejection up there, or, we might push farther. We don't know. Now, if we break down, the technical target has dropped just a little bit. Now, on a technical drop, we're looking about the 47.7 cent mark. So that's our opportunity here. Are we going to continue to move? Are we going to fall out of this and then end up breaking down here? The 47.6. We've got the same look here. That's if we break up. Let's say we break down. Right now we're still looking for the bullish push. But let's say we break down because you're always going to want to know where it goes on the way down too. The breakdown target is 46.6 cents on this chart. The breakout target on this chart is 58.4. So that's the differential. And we see it right here as well, as it's a tight formation. The breakdown pattern is 47.6. And the breakout is 58.7. So that's what we're looking right now. So that's being as direct as we can be with XRP. And if it did continue to push down and we were unable to hold any kind of support structure, you've got the cup and handle support right there at 42 cents, roughly 41.98. And let's say we continue to maintain our bullish thesis. Well, we haven't even had a bullish thesis yet. We haven't broken out of the areas. But let's say we push past 2018 resistance and we start pushing up. 60.8 cents is the cup and handle resistance. So that would be our nearest resistance as far as a longer term pattern setup. Right now we can't get past the short term setup, and it's being detrimental to us right now. It's a very big pain in the ass, if I'm being honest. XRP uses that 2018 resistance line as the line in the sand that it can't pass as of right now. And it's been going on for over 6.5 years. So Ripple confirms Fednow's network effects will transform payments and boost XRP. So Ripple Labs believes the Federal Reserve's Fednow system will benefit XRP, the company, through XRP and the XRP ledger. It's fighting for market share in the global payment ecosystem. So in a recent release, American technology company Ripple Labs Inc. confirmed that Fednow's network effects will transform payments and boost XRP. This disclosure highlights Ripple's relevance as an enterprise blockchain solution in crypto. So Fednow as the likely XRP catalyst. For context, Fednow is an instant payment service launched by the United States Federal Reserve last year. When its competitive pricing, enhanced speed, and integrated fraud management features, it is expected to revolutionize the U.S. payment landscape. In the 2024 document, Trends in Regional Payments, Ripple mentioned that networking effects associated with the adoption of Fednow will begin to take effect within the following year. The firm expects this phenomenon to disrupt the payment scene in America and ultimately pave the way for increased XRP adoption. As XRP adoption grows, Ripple claims network effects will persuade clients to use the Ripple network over the Swift network. This would further help Ripple expand the business and use XRP for cross-border transactions, which might ultimately lead to a surge in price. As highlighted in our earlier post, Ripple partner Valente Technologies collaborated with the prominent custodian bank to carry out Fednow's pilot phase. The two groups tested the send, receive, and bank-to-bank transfer functionalities to help banks adjust to the new network. The partnership led to speculation that Fednow might benefit XRP and Ripple. Industry proponents claim Valente users could use XRP on Fednow because of the interface with Ripple. Notably, Valente and Ripple have been actively working together to launch cutting-edge payment solutions. Now that Ripple has officially confirmed that XRP will benefit from the Fednow, many await the effects on the token's future price. As of this writing, XRP was trading, it was not at 53.9 now, it's down about 53.5 cents, about a 0.7% increase in the past 24 hours. The trading volume increased by 34% to 822 million, suggesting increased demand from traders and investors. So the Fednow and XRP's position in cross-border payments. Both Fednow and XRP have continued to launch innovative solutions as they fight for supremacy in the cross-border payments industry. As noted in our earlier report, stakeholders expect the cross-border payment sector to be worth over $250 trillion by 2027. With this in mind, Fednow is already growing in presence within the ecosystem. The service provides a faster, more efficient alternative that could reduce reliance on traditional card networks, potentially lowering transaction fees and increasing competition. Although signing up is voluntary, the service is available to more than 10,000 U.S. financial institutions. As mentioned in our previous post, Ripple is also leading the charge in addressing issues in the cross-border payment sector. Experts estimate that XRP's dominant role in cross-border payments might propel the coin's price to $1 by 2025. Ripple's payments use the XRP and the XRP ledger to provide the speed, access, and cost efficiency to meet the demands of crypto businesses. So that was, I thought, a good read. Some good information there with the Fednow. But for this morning, XRP's found itself in a dicey spot. We talked about the XRP Bitcoin pairing yesterday. And right now, I mean, pretty flat. Could we have put in a little reversal here? We could have. But with the way the price is going, we're still anticipating a drop down to that 915 sat level. If we still need to confirm this area, I mean, we could bounce out of here, but to me, I still am looking for that 915. If you're building into this like we are, I would expect this 915 to hit. You know, so I'm building into it. I think the first purchase I made was around the 936 sat level. I don't remember what it was at last night, to be honest with you. Somewhere down here. I think it was like 936. So we're looking for that. And if XRP can bounce off the 915 sat level, we're looking for a nice appreciation to the 1147. And that would be roughly 25.5% move. So that's what I'm looking at in time here. Right now, we're in a bearish bias because we could not get over the 2018 resistance. Remember the levels I showed you this morning. I'm going to release this because I got a lot of stuff to do this morning. My son's got his 5-year appointment. He needs it for his special needs program. They got to go over and, you know, fill out for his OT, PT, and speech, which he's already started, but they need the checklist. So he's going to go there, get weighed, you know, the 5-year check. So it'll be an interesting appointment. Should be quick. He doesn't get jabbed, so he doesn't have to worry about that. So I'll keep everybody updated, but I'm going to go. Make sure to hit that like button. If you're looking to show support, you can always send a YouTube super chat. You can donate through Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. Just look in my homepage or in the video description below and our pinned comments. And then if you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto, you want to copy trade me on HOTCOIN, trade the XRP Bitcoin pairing. That's also on HOTCOIN. That's in the video description below and our pinned comments. Or on BITUNIX, XRP, you can trade worldwide. They don't have the XRP Bitcoin pairing, but they have many other great options. No VPN or KYC for either exchange worldwide. Unless you're sending or receiving from a bank account, you would need to do KYC. So take advantage. Other than that, have a blessed morning. If you made it until the end, hashtag be better, do better in the comments. And we'll touch base after I get out of the gym.